In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your messages at once on Instagram. This can be super helpful if you want to clean up your inbox quickly. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, tap on the messenger icon in the top right corner to access the direct messages. Now scroll through your messages to find the conversation you want to delete. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have a bulk delete option, so you'll need to delete chats one by one. Press and hold the chat or simply swipe right and click on delete. Select the delete option and then confirm your choice when prompted. The conversation will be removed from your inbox. Repeat this process for each conversation you want to delete. I know it can be a bit tedious, but this is currently the only way to clear your messages on Instagram. If you prefer, you can also access Instagram on a web browser. Go to instagram.com, log in and navigate to your message. The process is similar, but keep in mind that mobile might be more user friendly. And that's it, you've successfully deleted your Instagram messages.